Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you or sharing with you my experience on how to avoid eBay suspension while dropshipping. I'm going to talk about multiple things including the tracking, shipping, supplier risks. Now I'm going to be explain to you every single thing I do myself before dropshipping on eBay. Okay, it's because I have been doing dropshipping for like 6 years. I have faced a lot of problems. That's why I thought, okay, why not make a video about this, showing people how I avoid suspension myself. So the first thing, I'm going to start with the most important things that are very, very important, and I'm going to explain other things that are important too, but not as the first thing that I will explain right now, okay, which is VeRO. You may have heard this before, but this is very, very important. Always, before listing any product, I want you to make sure that the title of the product doesn't contain any brand name. Now, the way I do this is I always go to check Google, because now we have ChatGPT. It's very, very easy. You just need to go to ChatGPT, say something like, does this title contain any brand name, and then paste the title and it will show you if it contains brand name or not. Okay, it says here, yes, this title contains a brand name, so I am not going to list this product because one day I will receive a warning from eBay. Now the first time it's just a warning, the second time warnings, third time warnings, but after that eBay will start to say, okay, we will pause or we will lower your listings in the search results for 7 days. That's the first time impact your store or affect your store. The user says we will lower the visibility of your listings for 7 days. After that, if you do that again, you list a product with a logo or with a brand name in the title, they will say we will do this for 14 days. And then the next time they will say we will pause or we will lower your visibility, your listings visibility from search results for 30 days. The next one is going to be very bad, which is getting suspended from eBay permanently. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Always try, even if you list something like this, always list it for a few days, get some sales, and then remove the product. That's what I do. Me personally, that's what I do. I list the product before a company recognize this and report it to eBay. I list it, get some sales, and then what I do is I remove the product completely from my eBay store. So another big one, and they don't want you to face the problem, because I have seen many people face the same problem, is when you are canceling orders. Now, if someone purchased this item from you, okay, they purchased this, for example, this product from you, and all of a sudden you went to the supplier's website, but it shows as out of stock. Now, because someone already purchased the product from you, you want to cancel because you don't have this in stock. That's very, very bad. Okay, try as best as you can to not cancel the order. Okay, that's very, very important. Just as important as the first one I showed you earlier. Try not to cancel orders. Even if you need to cancel orders, don't select out of stock. If you do that just 5 times, you will have problems. I'm sure about this because I faced this before. Like I said, I've been doing this for 6 years, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. Always try to select another reason. Don't select out of stock reason. I will show you what I mean exactly. I'm going to go to selling. I have one of these stores here. I'm going to click on awaiting shipment, and I'm going to click on traceable dots, cancel order. Now, if you select reason and you select out of stock or damaged, if you do this 5 times, you are over. That's very bad. Always try to contact the buyer. Say something like, hi, we tried to ship this, but the shipping company refused this and that, blah blah blah. And then just get them to reply to you. They will say something like, okay, just refund. What you need to select then is buyer asked to cancel. That way, zero effect, zero impact on your eBay store. So that's all you need to do. And I don't want you to face this problem on your store, because I've seen many people face it, including myself. So just try to avoid this at all costs. So another thing is try to upload tracking numbers as soon as possible. This is not very like eBay is not very strict about this, but just do it. It will improve the visibility of your listing. The more you ship products quickly, the more sales you will get. That's from my experience. I was doing before like $4,000 a month. Since I took this very seriously. So 3 things I think are very important. Like I said, the first thing is try to check if the title contains any brand name. The second thing is try to not cancel the order, and also uploading the tracking number quickly as soon as possible as you can. Try to not like wait like 5 days, 6 days. That's a long time. Always set the handling time to 2 days and try to ship the product in just 2 days. About feedback, I don't think you will get suspended if you get too many negative feedbacks. I already saw many stores with like 60% negative feedback or 50. Also a lot of negative feedbacks, but they will not get suspended because that's not how eBay works. If you get a lot of negative feedbacks, the way eBay suspend you is they try to like lower your listings from search results. Like buyers will not see them often in the search results. So that's how they can get rid of you without actually suspending your account. So try to get positive feedback. That's going to help your store grow, and very important. Okay, try to get positive feedback. If someone leaves a negative feedback, try to solve the problem with the buyer and then tell them to change it. By the way, if you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Okay, so if you have if you want me personally to dropship on your store and then take it from $0 to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, contact me on Instagram. This is my username. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.